Okay, for tonight's homework, you're going to be working on the practice PI, and it's these two papers right here. Okay, so before we get started, we're going to review. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Remember, P is parentheses, E is exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Remember, if you have multiplication and division in the same problem, you do whichever comes first going left to right. Same thing with addition, subtraction. If you have the same, both of those in the same problem, you do whichever comes first going left to right. Okay, before we get started, I want to go over one quick thing with you. Two different ways of solving these problems. One is the arithmetic way, and the second way is the algebraic way. In the arithmetic way, you solve the problems in the order that it is entered going left to right. So basically, whatever comes first in the problem, that's the way you do it. This is the wrong way of doing a problem. Okay? Algebraic way is using the order of operations, which is what we've been working on. Okay? But the arithmetic way, you just solve it going left to right, no matter what operation comes first. Okay? So, let's look at number one. It says 3 plus 2 times 8. A 5th grade teacher told her students to solve the above problem using the calculators they brought into school that day. Amy got 40 using her calculator and Maxine got 19. What type of calculator did each student use? Explain how each calculator solved the problem, and lastly, tell which answer is the correct one. Okay, so what I did, I set this problem up. Let me set it up real quick here. 3 plus 2 times 8. 3 plus 2 times 8. Okay, we have two different ways of solving this. Let's first do it the algebraic way, the correct way. Okay, so using our order of operations, we have addition, multiplication. We know that we will do the multiplication first. So 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, we rewrite the problem, and then our last step is 16 plus 3. Okay, 16 plus 3 is 19. Now, let's do it the arithmetic way. And again, that's solving the problem going left to right no matter what the operation is. So, we'll do that. We'll do 3 plus 2 first, which is 5. Rewrite our problem. And then we do 5 times 8, which is 40. Okay, so we get two totally different answers here. So again, what you're going to have to write out is, it's asking you, Amy got 40 using her calculator, which is right here, and Maxine got 19, which is right here. What type of calculator did each student use? So the student who got 19, they used the algebraic calculator. They did it the correct way. The student who got 40 used the arithmetic way. And then explain how each calculator solved the problem. So again, algebraic, they use the order of operations to get the answer. Arithmetic, they just solve going left to right, no matter what the operation is. And it says, lastly, tell which answer is the correct one. The correct answer, as we know, is using the algebraic way. Okay? So that's number one. Numbers 2 through 5, I'm not going to go over. You just have to state which operation would be performed first using the order of operations. So would you multiply first? Would you add first? Subtract first? Would you divide first? Use exponents first? You just have to write that on the line. Okay? So, on the next page, page 2. They give you a problem and you have to solve it two different ways. And we'll go over a few of these together. We have, for number 6, 12 plus 5 times 4, using it the algebraic way, and 12 plus 5 times 4, doing it the arithmetic way. So, if we do it the algebraic way, we have addition and multiplication. We know that we always, using our order of operations, we do the multiplication first. So, 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Rewrite the problem. And 20 plus 12 is 32. Okay? Now, using the arithmetic way, again, solving it going left to right no matter what operation is first. So we just go left to right. So I do 12 plus 5 first, which is 17. Rewrite my problem. So now I have 17 times 4, and that gives me 68. Okay? So we have 68 and 32. So for each one of these problems, you're going to have to do the work on a separate sheet of paper because you must show your work and how you got these answers. So you can just set it up just like I'm setting it up on this board. Okay, that's number 6. Let's do one more of these together. Let's do number 9. 20 minus 16 divided by 4. 20 minus 16 divided by 4. Okay? So we'll do it the algebraic way first, using the order of operations. So I'm going to do my division first. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Rewrite my problem. 20 take away 4 is 16. Okay? Using it the arithmetic way, doing it, this is the incorrect way, solving it left to right. So I would do my subtraction first. 16 minus 4 is 4. Rewrite my problem. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So you can see I got two different answers here, 16 and 1. So that's number 9. So again, you're going to have to do number 7 and 8 on your own, okay? But just doing it the two different ways, the algebraic way and then doing it the arithmetic way. Numbers 10 through 15, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because that's what we've been working on, for the last couple of weeks. So I'm going to let you guys try those on your own. Again, just following the order of operations. Make sure you rewrite the step, or rewrite the problem after each step, and you should be okay there. Let's go down to number 16. It says, write an expression that describes each situation. Write the amount for each. It says, Anne bought 5 boxes of beads with 100 beads in each box. She evenly divided the beads into 25 different containers. How many beads were in each container? Now let's take this step by step. It first says that Anne bought 5 boxes of beads with 100 beads in each box. So she had 5 boxes, and there were 100 beads in each box. So we first have to figure out how many beads would that be. So in order to figure that out, the operation we would use is to multiply. So we would say 5 times 100 would give us however many beads she has. But then it says she evenly divided the beads into 25 containers. Okay? So she divided them into 25 containers. Okay? So she had 5 boxes, 100 beads in each box, so we're going to multiply to figure out how many beads there would be together. And then after that, she divided the beads into 25 different containers. So when we would do this, 5 times 100 would be 500. And then we would divide by 25. And then when we would do that, if we would do it off to the side, our answer would be 20. Okay? So she would have 20 beads per container. The 16 and 17 are more challenging, but just break it down step by step as you go through the problem. Just do your best on these. I'm going to have you do 17 on your own, give it a shot. And if you need to, watch number 16 again, but just take it step by step. Alright? And that is tonight's homework. Just do a great job.